Good afternoon, my dear thinkers. This is your science friend Srinivas. Today I have visited RoboticsLab at KCP Siddhartha with my friend Ashaji. Has shown me so many, her outcomes. Basically, she mentored. In fact, there are so many component trays, and there are so many parts are there. And with all these parts, what she is doing is she is mentoring all her mentees. Okay, there are so many different parts, and see how many of them are there. So there are various variety of parts, and all these parts so are there here readily, so that if you have an idea of making some new project, so these parts are going to help you greatly. So she organized in a better way, in a most possible, easily you can find them through this special arrangement she has designed. And see how many parts. There are variety of L clamps, C clamps, and there are U clamps, and then you can use nut bolts, and then put whatever wheels, and then pulleys, and then motors, whatnot. You can really do, because there are so many wide variety of nut bolts, and then many parts. They're all mechanics. So the parts of that, the wheels and the pulleys, and so many. So this place, I can say, this is the right place for you to tinker the chassis for making your ideas. You can bring out into working. There are variety kind of different shapes and different wheels and different bearings and different parts. See, there are so many nut bolt parts, and there are many parts for all your ideas. Whatever idea you have, you can make it work. So with this all various variety of the parts. So Ashaji, thank you very much for showing so many wide variety of parts from your collection. And this is the design thinking, okay? And also, you see, she has organized her trays. So for any new project, she can keep all these things ready, packed and ready, so that students can come and do whatever idea they have. And she's also keep this kind of preparation so that everyone understand what are all the tools required for making, what kind of various wheels you can use, what are all the various parts that you can use for making your ideas to come true. And finally, the place which I'm going to show you, this is a wonderful lab, do it yourself, okay? DIY lab. Imagination, transformation, wow, what a wonderful. And you see the STEM lab over here, and Ashaji has specially designed many, like a windmill, and the kind of wind blowing onto that, and then the way it is turning into the electricity, and the electricity stored and whatnot, So there is no limitation, my dear students, that if tons of ideas, and you see this, this particular helmet. I'm going to see how children made. You see the boat. And also you see, you see this one. What is this, Ashaji? What is this?
Jeep.
Oh, Jeep. Oh, wonderful. How about this one?
Race car.
Oh, race car. Wonderful. Students, you can really enjoy this making race cars, whatnot. And you see here how interesting.
Chain.
And you see the beautiful chair, Oh, one student has made a beautiful, excellent chair over here. I can show you the chair. And you see how nicely they have tinkered. And this is how I think tinkering happens. Your ideas come into the real world, the way they are making. Students are really making wonderful activity over here. And then today is their annual day. That's why I'm missing all of them. They're all in preparation to receive their parents and whatnot. So the lab is a bit. Otherwise, you see here how cute it is. With the gate motor, they have used whatnot. But what ultimately I can tell you is mechanics, the kits, and you see this the regular kind of rubber wheels, and then what is this?
This is a track and
yes. Track wheels.
wheel and track.
Oh, I mean the one what we have this for.
The mortar tanks, we have these wheels
Yes,
and
yeah.
tracks.
Yeah, they can climb anywhere. They can climb anywhere. That is the purpose of that. Oh, this is a tank. War tank. This is a war tank. Oh, they made it a war tank. Oh, how beautiful is this? Wow. So interesting. And you see there's a bridge here, children.
And this is
There's a bridge.
supposedly a hovercraft. with
My
ball
God.
heads.
Wow, what a kind of tinkering they are doing. So, my dear friends, so I must tell thanks on behalf of all of you to our Asha ji, mentor for this robotics. And once again, we'll all come once again and learn many things from our Asha ji. Okay? So, signing off, your science friend Srinivas. So, happy tinkering. Let's make in India, made in India. Skill India from School India. So, fly so high up above. Okay. So what I can say, why crawl when you can fly? Let's all fly with this kind of mechanics tinkering. Okay. Let's do more tinkering. Happy tinkering, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye bye.